Hi, in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can use other AI model inside of Antigravity. To achieve this, I'm gonna use the 9 router. So if you haven't installed the 9 router, just open your terminal. I have PowerShell and also Git Bash installed. So I'm gonna run the PowerShell and just type the PNPM add slash g 9 router at latest. This is the PNPM command for installing a 9 router. I have already installed it, so I'm gonna run it putting this command 9 router. Now the dev server is running, so I'm gonna open it. It's the port 20,128. This is the port number. Also, so when you first time log in, this is going to be the default password that you can use to log in. I have changed the password, so I'm gonna put my password. This is the interface you will be seeing. So go to the providers, and I have contacted some of the providers like KiloCode, OpenCode. So in this video, I'm gonna try the OpenCode test v4 Flash inside of the Antigravity IDE. So go to the CLI tools, then side of the Antigravity, and as you can see, you have to click on the start the server by clicking on this. So after starting the server, just open this, and you have to put these inside of the host file, and the host file is located in this location. This is location of the file Windows system 32 drivers and slash etc. Just open it with the notepad, and you have to just put the localhost that for the Antigravity that is showing it here. And these are the two localhosts that you have to put. After putting these, just start the DNS and just select the model from here. If I want to use the DeepSeek v4 Plus, then I'm going to select it, and we will use in the Cloud Sonnet 4.6. So I'm going to open the Antigravity IDE. Since it doesn't open, so now it's opening. Now the model we have selected is Sonnet 4.6 thinking, because in here we have selected that this model, by selecting this model, we are going to be using this model. So also I want you to show you the usage and my plan on it. As you can see, the weekly limit is 100% and the cloud models limit is 100%. So I'm going to run this and ask it to analyze the whole code base. Now I have sent the command, and now it is starting exploring all the project. And I'm gonna, after it finishes, you can see it from here that it's using the DeepSeek v4. Go to the console log. As you can see, this model is being used, and when you go to the usage, as you can see, this model is being used 3 seconds ago. So we are using this model open core inside of the Antigravity. So when I go to the settings models, as you can see, it's being used, but the usage is still 100%. If I refresh, it will going to be 100% because we are not using the Google Antigravity model. We are using the open code model inside of the Google Antigravity. As you can see, it's reading all most of the files and our context, and still our usage is now declining.